Hello student, in this video we will start ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is the chapter first, periodic properties and ionic bonding. Now let us go learn about ionic bond. First definition. What is meant by ionic bond? An ionic bond is formed when there is actual transfer of one or more electron from the outermost energy cell of one atom to the outermost energy cell of the other atom. The atom from which the electrons are transferred acquire positive charge and the atom which gain the electron acquire negative charge. Thus the electrostatic attraction between the oppositely charged ion result in the formation of bond, and this is known as the ionic bond. An ideal example of ionic bond is sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, bond is between sodium and chloride in the molecule. Sodium chloride, which is turn and electron transfer, can be explained as follows. Sodium atom lost single electron from its outermost shell to form Na plus ion, means cation, and chlorine atom is turn accept the electron by the sodium atom to form Cl minus ion. In this way, in Na and Cl, ionic bond form. In short, what is meant by ionic bond? Transfer of electron from one atom to another atom. This is known as the ionic bond. And in these two atoms, electrostatic attractive force between positively charged and negatively charged ion. But in formation of ionic bond is favorable when metal has low ionization energy, other element has high electron affinity, and the resulting compound has high lattice energy. Now we will discuss about types of cation. The formation of ionic compound is generally accompanied by attaining inert gas like configuration by an anion, while the cation may achieve any one of the following configuration. No valence electron means absence of electron in valence shell. What is the example of this? Example, H plus ion. In H plus ion, there is absence of electron in its valence shell but acquire a positive charge. Second, ion with inert gas configuration. We know about what are the inert gases like He, Ne, Ar, Kr, Xe, Rn, etc. These are the inert gases. But here lithium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, calcium are the this atom having inert gas configuration like NH2 NP6 type. Third one in ion with pseudo inert gas configuration. What is the pseudo inert gas configuration? NH2 NP6 ND10 like. Example, silver, cadmium, tin, etc. This element having ion with pseudo inert gas configuration like NH2, NP6, ND10 type. Fourth one is the inert S2 pair configuration. N-1 means S2, P6, D10 and NS2 configuration. Here element having valence configuration NS2, NPX. Fifth, the D and F ions. The transition metal ion formed by loss of outermost valence shell electron without the ionization of d electron have the configuration of the outer shell as NH2, NP6, NDX. And last one, ion with irregular configuration. These are certain ions that cannot be classified into any particular class. Example, gallium. Gallium show +4 cation. These are the types of the cation. Thank you, student.